Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add a new email or Gmail address to your iPhone. It's very easy and won't take more than a minute. Just make sure to follow these steps. Here we go. You can enter any email address you want here, belonging to any company, be it a Gmail, Hotmail, or Outlook address. All of these will work. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.